If I had chosen a different university, I might have missed out on so many opportunities.
Before coming to BGSU, I never imagined I could be the leader that I am today.
I'm Quinn Eberhard, a recent alumna of Bowling Green State University, currently pursuing my PhD in bioinformatics. I'm also a Hoskins Global Scholar. I discovered a passion for bioinformatics my freshman year after hearing a professor discuss his research on the topic. I told him, I have no clue what this is, but I'm curious. And just like that, I'm a freshman doing research, and I was loving it. Later that year, one of my research mentors encouraged me to apply for the Hoskins Global Scholarship. It's this amazing opportunity for students to dream big and pursue their research and academic interests internationally. My application proposal was to go to Cambridge, England, and work with the European Molecular Biology Laboratories at the European Bioinformatics Institute. The institute is the best of the best in my field. And my proposal was selected, which was really cool and terrifying at the same time. So in the summer of 2019, I studied in Cambridge for 6 weeks. I was working alongside this incredibly diverse and talented group of people from 87 countries. Everyone got along so well because we were all passionate scientists with common goals. At the Institute, I developed a coupled sequence alignment algorithm to study RNA and protein interactions in cells. Bioinformatics programs like these can positively impact both academic research and human health, and it was thrilling to be at the forefront of that. Cambridge was such a pivotal opportunity for me. The Hoskins Global Scholarship turned a 6-week international research project to a professional career path in bioinformatics. There are so many experiential learning opportunities at BGSU, both on and off campus, all made possible by generous donors to the Changing Lives for the World campaign.
These contributions created so many amazing ways to learn and grow outside the classroom, and I don't think students realize just how accessible these opportunities are. I'm Giovanna Joyce, a rising third year at Bowling Green State University where I'm studying social work. My passion has always been to create real change in the world, but it was my experience with the Marvin Center that helped me to realize the extent of my potential to grow and serve in a leadership role, so I can have a larger voice and reach so many more people. In my freshman year on campus, I discovered the C. Raymond Marvin Center for Student Leadership, where I was given the opportunity to learn how to become an effective leader. This past year, I personally facilitated the Inclusive Leadership Certificate for faculty, staff, graduate students, and undergrads. Before the Marvin Center, I would have never imagined that I would be teaching faculty and staff, even people with doctorate degrees. And every time I lead a course on leadership, I think, this is really happening, and it's amazing. I'm here to become the best licensed clinical social worker that I can be, to go out into the world and create public good. And I know I've got this, thanks in large part to the Marvin Center for Student Leadership.
And I hope someday people will ask me, how did you accomplish all this? And I will tell them it really began as a student at BGSU. That's where I discovered these amazing experiential learning opportunities.
Once-in-a-lifetime opportunities that gave me the initiative to find my voice, design my future, and ultimately chart this amazing course for my life.